The plans of the Volkswagen passenger cars brand are to successively restart production. First, production is to be resumed at the plants in Zwickau and Bratislava in the week from April 20th. The other plants in Germany and in Portugal, Spain, Russia and the USA are to restart production in the week from April 27th. In the course of May, production will be resumed successively in South Africa, Argentina, Brazil and Mexico. With the decisions by federal and state governments in Germany, and the loosening of restrictions in other European states, conditions have been established for the gradual resumption of production, said Ralf Brandstätter, CEO of the Volkswagen brand. Volkswagen has prepared intensively for these steps over the past 3 weeks. In addition to developing a comprehensive catalog of measures for the protection of our employees' health, we have also forged ahead with the re-establishment of our supply chains. On this basis, short-time working is to continue at the Volkswagen plants in Germany. However, the number of employees affected by short-time working will be successively reduced, in line with the resumption of production. We have never experienced a situation like this before, said Brandstätter. However, I know that our colleagues are fantastically well motivated to start work again. In the light of the pandemic, we need to adapt our routines. With about 100 measures, we are keeping the risk of infection at Volkswagen as low as possible. This will set a standard for the industry. But we need to be realistic. We have never developed, produced and sold vehicles under these conditions before. This is why I expect our managers to ensure that employees are thoroughly familiar with the new procedures. Taking the time to answer questions is more important now than daily production figures. Volkswagen Group components had already started resume production step by step at its plants in Brunswick and Kassel from April 6, followed by the components plants in Chemnitz and Hanover, as well as the Polish plants from April 14, to safeguard component supplies for vehicle production in China. In the resumption of production, company can also call upon the experience gained with the production ramp-up at its plants in China, where a large number of consistent health protection measures have been successfully implemented. "32 of the 33 plants in China have now returned to production. No cases of coronavirus have been reported among the employees there." Volkswagen continues to closely monitor global situation arising as a result of the pandemic.